Pearl and I, along with two of our relatives, went on our first MU KRATHA in Bangkok, Thailand. We hopped off a ferry and took a 20-minute walk to Factory Mookata in the district of Bangkok. MU KRATHA or MU KRATHA is pork cooked in a specific vessel that includes a dome for grilling and a ring for hot liquid for boiling. Basically a barbecue and hot pot cooked in something that looks like a pan for bundt cakes. Factory Mookata is an all-you-can-eat affair, so we grilled and we boiled and we ate with plenty of Thai suki sauce. There is also a selection of fine, cold Thai desserts. For the price of about 11 Canadian dollars a person, at a buffet, we left the place stuffed, sweaty, and satisfied.